Hey, this is Malin. Welcome to my channel. I'm your online business mentor, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can gain control and a sense of freedom and health in your financial situation starting today. Before we get going, hit subscribe and the bell to get notified, leave your comments below and give this video a thumbs up. Many people struggle with the 9-to-5 rat race, being behind every month, not managing to get ends to meet. I've been there too. I know the anxiety and the frustration, the fear and the stomach ache that you can feel when you're in that situation. So today I want to give you some really simple tips on how you can start to gain control of your financial situation and how you can also evolve and move forward so you're actually also getting ahead for the future. So bring out your calculator and let's get to it. So let's say that you have a monthly income of about $2,000 when it all sums up. Your bills are $1,000. What's left is $1,000. What you need to do now is take 10% out of that $1,000 and invest in the two most vital parts of your future. So from $1,000 you will extract $100, $50 into your funds and shares, not a saving account, because you need to invest in funds and shares so that that money can work for you. It will increase over time without you having to do basically anything. That's a passive income. The other $50 into your education and your future. May it be an online business or saving up to get in on a cafe that you want to run or whatever it is. The rest of the money is $900. Divide it by 30, the amount of days of the month, to give you a daily budget. Your daily budget. So we're breaking this down into days. Now, it's important that you don't spend the $30 a day every day, but that you feel that you can. That gives you a sense of control and freedom. You know that if you stay within the limit of 30 a day, you're going to be fine. There won't be anything extra left towards the end of the month if you spend it, but at least you know that you put some savings away into your stocks and funds. You put away money for your development. You paid all your bills. Now, usually these $30, they have to cover food, beverages, gas, clothes, medicine, all those kinds of things, which, you know, $30 is not a whole lot, but I've made it on less. Believe me, it works. And it gives you a sense of control. Doesn't give you financial freedom, that would be a lie, but it gives you a sense of control, and somehow your stomach aches will reduce and go away once you get into the habit. So it's not so much the actual amounts that you put on into these different areas, it's the habit. It's the habit of saving, it's the habit of investing in yourself, it's the habit of knowing exactly what you've got left to spend every day of the month, and the habit of knowing that you're paying your bills. These are some vital tips from me to you. Tell me what you think in the comment section below and I'll answer all of your comments. Give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe and the bell. I'll see you in the next one. All the best.